by the Cranberries uses the same chord progression throughout the entire song. It's a D for 2 bars, A for 2 bars, C for 2 bars, and G for 2 bars. We're going to start off with a D bass chord, but we're going to take the first finger off and leave the G string open. We're going to have 3rd fret on the B, 2nd fret on the high E string, and we're going to pick G, B, E, repeating 4 times. For the right hand, we're going to be using the 1st finger on the G, 2nd finger on the B, 3rd finger on the high E. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And for the next 2 bars, we'll have the 1st finger back down on the 2nd fret of the G and picking exactly the same way. G, B, E, G, B, E. So put together. We're then going to go to this awesome strumming pattern based upon this A chord here. We've got 7th fret on the D, 6th fret on the G, 5th fret on the B, high open E string. To start off the strumming pattern, we're actually going to put the pinky finger on the 7th fret of the B. I'm going to strum down, down, up, up on this chord. And after that, we'll take the pinky finger off and go to the 1st finger there on the 5th fret. I'm going to strum down, up, down, 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 up, down. So the whole thing, pinky finger on, down, down, up, up, and then off, down, up, down, down, down. Then we go to a C chord and the rhythm's going to stay pretty much consistent throughout the rest of the song. So we've got a down strum, another down, down, up, down, down, down. So down, 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 up. 2 bars of that, and we go to a G chord, down, 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 down. From there on out, we just play the D chord as a normal D chord, an A chord for 2 bars as a normal A chord, C chord for 2 bars, and a G chord for 2 bars until the end of the song. So that would sound like this: D, A, C, G. If you want to make it sound a little bit more like the strumming in the song, we can take the 2nd fret of the high E string off and have an open E string in there whilst we're strumming the D. So like, we can do the same thing on the A chord and take the 2nd fret of the B off and have the open B ringing out. Sound like this. So the outro is based around the D chord again. I'm just going to take the 1st finger off to have the open G string again. I'm going to pick D with the thumb, high E 3rd finger, B 2nd finger, G with the 1st finger, and then repeat the high E, B, G, high E, and play that on repeat. Finish on a D major chord.